All right, gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about a subject that came along about a year ago, then it kind of faded a little, and then it's getting a little bit more momentum, and that's AI girlfriends. So what's the deal there? Well, I don't know if there's a free bot out there that you can take advantage of, literally, or if you still have to pay for it. But what you're doing is you're creating an avatar of your quote unquote perfect woman. Okay? And this woman will talk to you the way you need to be talked to, will simulate conversation with you, will get naked with you, will tell you how much she wants to have sex with you, and it can be as pornographic as you like. And this woman is designed specifically to your physical specifications as well. Hey, this feels like MGTOW utopia to me, right? If you're a man going your own way and you're sick of women talking at all, let alone complaining or, dragging you into family law court someday and taking half your wealth and trying to get pregnant, and you're sick of worrying about STDs and having to go on dates and, even look handsome or look attractive or make an effort for a woman lest she reject you, and you're definitely sick of paying, to take women on expensive dates, then man, having an AI girlfriend sounds great. But here's the problem. An AI girlfriend will never love you, okay? Because she hasn't been created, she's been coded. Now, let me elaborate on that a little bit. I don't care which God you pray to, or even if you believe in any kind of God at all. But here's something nobody's going to be able to deny. Whether there's a God or not a God out there, whatever it is has or hasn't required us to worship it, let alone even acknowledge it. You're allowed not to believe in God. God's not going to come strike you down with a lightning bolt because of it. That is absolutely miraculous. Because what's happened is you have a God somewhere that doesn't care. Well, isn't that God doesn't care, but they've given us the right to respond to God of our own free will. We have agency. And if you do believe that we've been created in God's image, then you're going to have to acknowledge that we want that in our own lives as well. You're never going to get that from an AI girlfriend. The AI girlfriend will never love you. The AI girlfriend will do what it's coded to do for you. That's going to feel empty because of your humanity. Now, yes, there's a risk and there's a reward when you're out there dealing with real women. And that is, she could reject you. She may turn out to be a terrible person. You have to vet her. You have to get to know her. But there's a thrill in that. There's a thrill in having a real human being respond to you by choice, not by compulsion or by design, right? The design is an intelligent one. That's how we're designed as human beings by God himself to interact with each other. Do I need to have to even remind you guys that if you're just going to watch porn or talk to an AI girlfriend, it's never going to get any better than seeing or hearing her? The other three senses aren't involved there either. Guys, go out there and live a little. Real human beings, real women are designed to be with real men. No computer code, no artificial intelligence is ever going to change that, and it can absolutely positively never be more fulfilling than that. Hey, you got some comments? Let's talk about it. I'll engage them below, and I'll engage you as we talk about it. And if you want to email me at scott@mountaintoppodcast.com, that's great too. Be good out there, gentlemen.